So on this video, we're gonna talk about the Apowersoft free screen recorder, how to use this particular Apowersoft screen recorder. So without delay, let's get started with the video. Alright guys, this is the Apowersoft screen recorder. So here's the basic interface of the Apowersoft screen recorder. Just to record, you also need to select the some option from here. Also, you can use the webcam as well. Video format, which video format you want to use, as well as the keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts. Alright, these are the keyboard shortcuts you can even use with including these one. Okay, so we're gonna make the video of this one. So we're gonna make the video of this small video with using some video recorder. With this video recorder, okay, we'll just start the button. There's no any watermark after using this, and this is using the microphone with a certain message. Alright,
Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about the screen recording software for the laptop, PC, desktop. We do have lots of software application for recording.
so guys, if you are done with the recording, okay, you just need to press some word that is ESC. Okay, have this ESC or Control S. Okay, or even you will find here the option as here the option is the stop. The video will
Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about
the video will automatically stop and start to play when the same on the same window. Okay, so if you want the audio to be play, you can play and check out, or you can cancel this. Okay, so guys, this is the basic interface how to just record the video in Apowersoft screen recorder. There is nothing much, and if you want the webcam to use, you can even use the webcam. Here it is. If you want the webcam to record your image, you can even use webcam, but the quality is not as much as good as the ice cream screen recorder. Alright, so this is all about the video. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.